Why? Why is she always more important? You are only taking care of Mia. You only love Mia. Leo, help me. Mia. Mia. Open your eyes. This is not a funny game.
Okay, everyone, eat your breakfast quickly. We are late.
Relax, Lily. We still have 10 minutes.
Leo, please help your sister.
Give her the orange juice.
Yes, Mom. Here you go, Mia. Thanks, Leo. And Leo, make sure she finishes her eggs. She needs the energy. I will, Mom. Don't worry. Look, Leo. My egg looks like a smiley face. It does. Now eat it quickly like a superhero.
Good girl, Mia. You are doing so well.
Mom, look at my drawing. I finished it for the school contest. That's nice, Leo. Put it in your bag. Mia, try one more bite. Oh, okay. I'm sorry, Leo. I'm just busy. Oh, Jack, did you see Mia's bag?
It's by the door, Lily.
Leo, one more thing. When you come home from school, you need to clean Mia's bedroom.
But Mom, I usually clean my room on Mondays. Mia's room too?
Yes. Mia needs to rest after school. She shouldn't move heavy toy boxes.
Your mother is right, Leo. Be a big helper today. Clean up both rooms.
But I have a lot of homework today. And I wanted to read my new book.
You can read later. Mia's comfort is very important right now.
Okay, Mom. I will clean it.
Good boy, Leo. We are proud of you for helping your sister.
Thank you, Leo. You are the best brother.
Leo, are you finished with your book?
Almost, Mom. I just have 2 more pages. Good. When you finish, please help Mia. Her toys are everywhere. Okay, Mom. I can help her in 5 minutes.
Mia, honey, you have too many blocks on the floor.
But Mom, I am making a big house for my dolls.
You can finish the house later. Now it is time to tidy up the room.
Mom, can I go to the park for a little bit? My friends are there.
No, Leo, not today. I need you here to help your sister.
But I finished all my homework.
I know, but Mia needs you. She is small, and the toy boxes are very heavy.
Okay. I understand.
Hey, everyone. Leo, why do you look sad?
It's nothing, Dad. I'm just gonna clean the room now.
That is very kind of you. You are a great big brother.
Jack, can you help me in the kitchen? I need to start dinner.
Of course. Leo, stay here with Mia, okay?
Yes, Dad. Leo, look! My doll is inside the house. That's nice, Mia. But we need to put the other blocks away now. Can we play a game first? Let's play a game where we run and catch each other.
No, Mia. Mom says you need to rest.
But I am not tired. I have lots of energy. I know. But Mom is always right. Let's just pick up the toys. Mom! My friends are at the park now. Can I go play football?
I'm sorry, Leo. Your father is busy in the garage, and I must finish the laundry.
But I finished all my chores. I cleaned my room and Mia's room too.
I know, and you are a good boy. But I need you to stay here and watch Mia.
Mia is just sitting there. She doesn't need me to watch her.
Leo, please don't argue. You must stay with her.
But it is always about Mia. I want to have fun with my friends too.
Leo, your sister is more important than a football game.
Why? Why is she always more important? You never watch my games anymore.
That is not true, Leo. I am just very busy taking care of this family.
No. You are only taking care of Mia. You only love Mia.
Leo, that is a terrible thing to say. I love you both the same.
It doesn't feel like that. I'm going to my room.
Leo, come back here.
Leo, are you still sad? I am okay, Mia. Go back to your toys. I have a candy in my pocket. Do you want it? No, thank you. You can eat it. I am sorry you cannot go to the park. We can play here together. It is okay, Mia. I just want to sit here for a while. Leo! The room is moving! What? The room is not moving. You are just tired. No. Everything looks strange. I feel very cold. Mia? Your face is very white. Are you sick? Leo, help me. Mia, open your eyes. This is not a funny game. Oh no, you are very cold. Mia, please wake up. Where is the phone? Where is Mom's phone? Come on, Mom, pick up. Please.
Hello, this is Lily. Please leave a message after the beep.
Mom, it is Leo. Mia is on the floor. She is not moving. Come home now. Dad, please answer your phone. Dad, Mia is sick. I am scared. Please help us. Okay, Leo. Be brave. Call the emergency number.
Hello, this is the emergency center. What is your problem?
My name is Leo. I am at home with my sister. She is on the floor.
You're doing great, Leo. Stay calm, okay? Can you tell me your address?
It is number 10, Blue Street. Please hurry.
Help is coming now. Stay with your sister. Talk to her.
Mia? Can you hear me? The doctors are coming. I am here.
Mia! My baby! What happened?
Leo, are you okay? Where is your sister?
The doctors are taking her. I called them, Dad.
Is this the boy who called? You saved your sister's life, little hero.
You called the doctors by yourself, Leo?
I was scared. You didn't answer the phone.
I'm so sorry, Leo. I'm so sorry. You are so brave.
We need to go to the hospital now. Come on, everyone.
Will Mia be okay, Dad?
Don't worry, Leo. She's in good hands now. Lily, please sit down. You need to breathe.
I can't sit, Jack. I am so sorry. I am sorry to both of you.
Mom? Is Mia gonna be okay?
Yes, Leo. Mia is sleeping now. She is going to be okay.
Why did she fall down? I thought she was just tired.
Leo, there is a secret. I wanted to protect you.
The truth?
Is Mia really sick? Yes. Mia has a very weak heart. She was born with this problem.
A weak heart? Like a broken toy?
A little bit like that. That is why I am always worried about her.
Is that why I have to clean her room?
Yes. I am so sorry, Leo. I forgot about your feelings.
I thought you loved her more than me.
Never. I love you so much. You are my brave son.
You saved her life tonight, Leo. We are so proud of you.
Leo! Look at the balloon. It has a smiley face. It does. Do you feel better today, Mia? Yes. The doctors are very kind. They gave me a brave sticker.
You have a brave sticker too, Leo. In our hearts.
Mom, I am sorry I said you only love Mia.
I am sorry too, Leo. I learned a big lesson yesterday.
What lesson, Mom?
I learned to listen to the person who is healthy too.
That's right. A family is like a team. Everyone is important.
I understand now. I am happy to help Mia because I love her. You are my hero, Leo. Thank you.
Love is not something you divide. It is something you grow by sharing.
I love everyone. I love you too, Mia. You are the bravest girl I know. Let's go home together.
We hope you enjoyed our story today and learned something meaningful about family and love.
If you like this English lesson, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more videos from us.
We want to hear from you. Which new English word or phrase did you learn from our story today?